Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we are going to talk about Asian Paints WoodTech Wood Stain for interiors. So before getting into the product, we'll understand what is wood staining at first. Basically this is a process by which we can apply color to any ordinary wooden surface in order to make it look luxurious and provide us with a premium quality look. Now we will talk about our product. Asian Paints WoodTech Wood Stain, which is used as wood staining for home interior, is a solvent-based dye which offers excellent transparent shades, better durability and uniform finish. So because it is solvent-based, we can use NC thinner to dilute it before the application. Here the application process, that is how to apply this chemical, we'll understand this later on. But before that, we'll see few basic things regarding this chemical. So first is we'll see its product benefits. So talking about the first point, here we have easy application. So here it is very easy for us to apply this chemical, which as I already said, the application process we'll see at last. Then on second number we have exclusive shades. So as always, Asian Paints is carrying monopoly in color shades and color combinations, again here in wood staining also. Number of shades and number of textures are available here too. Next point is better durability. Applying this chemical on any wooden surface would definitely increase its life by protecting our wood from the environment. And last point for the product benefit here is uniform finish. Applying this in our interior, we'll get a smooth sheen finish which will be uniform throughout the surface. Then next we'll talk about the colors available. Below mentioned 9 attractive translucent WoodTech wood stains for interior are available to add or change the color. So here are the few available colors and textures what Asian Paints provides us for such wood staining, that is teak, charcoal, walnut, red brown, red, green, venge, oak yellow, rosewood. And a very important thing about this chemical is that we can intermix any of these shades in order to make a new shade. So here we get a huge variety. Then next we'll talk about the packings available in the market. So Asian Paints WoodTech wood stains for interior is available in 100 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter and 5 liter in the market, of which coverage is about 60 square feet for 1 liter of the chemical for single coat. So based on the shade, we can decide number of coats. That is, if our shade is lighter, then we can apply this only in single coat. But if it is dark in color, then we need to apply at least 2 coats for the wooden surface. Next we'll talk about the costing of this chemical. Its 1 liter is available in the market worth rupees 300. So based on the costing and coverage, you can calculate your estimate keeping labor charges apart. Next we'll talk about the drying time. It will take about 30 minutes to get a touch dry surface. That is, within 30 minutes you can touch and identify whether it has started to dry. And at last we'll talk about how to apply, that is the entire application process we are going to talk about stepwise. So here the first step is sand the wooden surface along the grains using the sandpaper number 180 and then 320 or 400. So using this sandpaper we are making the entire surface rough, and the sandpaper number here 180, 320 or 400 indicates that greater the number, smaller are the grains on the sandpaper. And we need to apply sandpaper 180 at first on the entire surface, and then after we'll apply sandpaper 320 or 400 on the entire surface to make it rough. So after our first step, our next step is wipe surface to clean off loose dust particles. That is, some dust particles might be left on the surface due to the sanding process, which we need to clean off before the application of the coat. Then our next step is, depending on the shade intensity desired, the number of coats can be varied. So as I explained earlier, if the shade what you are choosing is lighter, then we can apply it on a single coat. But if it is darker, then we need to apply it in 2 coats. Then next step here is, you can intermix WoodTech wood stains interior to create a new shade. We even had a talk about this in the color variety, color shades, color combinations. There were 9 different types of shades available, mixing with we can get a huge variety of a color. But the thing what we need to keep in mind is we can intermix only Asian Paints WoodTech wood stains interior chemical with each other to generate our new shade. The next step here is WoodTech wood stains interior can be diluted with NC thinner or thinner T124 just before application. So because this is a solvent based chemical, before application we need to mix it with NC thinner or thinner T124, which is easily available in the market. Then our next step is allow the stain coat to dry for 5 to 6 hours before sanding for the subsequent coat application. So after applying our first coat, we need to wait for at least 5 to 6 hours and then we need to sand the entire surface again, and then we need to apply our second coat. Then our last step here is surface stained with WoodTech wood stains interior must always be coated with a coat of WoodTech melamine gold clear, WoodTech touchwood interior and WoodTech PU interior. So after application of our chemical, that is Asian Paints WoodTech wood stain interiors, that is after application of the color or after application of the dye, we need to apply any of the coating mentioned here, that is WoodTech melamine gold clear, WoodTech touchwood interior or WoodTech PU interior. We can apply any of this coating in order to protect our surface and make it more durable. So friends, this is all for today. If you like this video, just click on the like button and do subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.